Hi, I'm going to show you how to use Snapseed to turn a positive photograph into a negative photograph, just for fun. Right, in Snapseed, tap on the plus symbol, go to your gallery. I'm going to find an image that I want to edit, and there's one of an old bench. Took this yesterday on a lovely walk in Speke Hall in Liverpool. I'm going to then click on Tools and go to Curves. And in the curve section, I'm going to turn it into a negative. Now, you could easily just do this by clicking on the little circle icon down the bottom and going to RGB, move that level up on that side and that level down on that side, and you've instantly got a negative that way. That is fine, and that looks really great. But you can actually get marginally better results if you're really panicky about making it look perfect by going into the red, green and blue separately. So I'll show you how to do that too. So you click on the red, you move that level up, that level down, but here's where you do the tinkering. Can you see on the histogram ends at the bottom, the histogram graph of red ends just before that level. So I'm going to drag that in so it touches the histogram. I'm going to go and do the same to green, drag that side up. I'm going to move it in a little bit because the histogram is in a little bit. Drag that one down, and can you see that the histogram is quite far away from where that level ends now? So I'm going to drag that in a lot more, and then I'm going to go to blue, do the same with blue, and the blue is really in, so I'm going to drag that in a bit more. Now that's it. That's the picture as it was before, and that's the negative version. Looks pretty cool. You can then add other effects if you so choose to it, if you wanted to. You could add a vintage effect to make it a little bit more browny, because that's what negatives actually look like. Or you could play about with tuning the image, maybe making the saturation a bit more so you can make it even more vibrant or less vibrant and have a black and white image. It's entirely up to you, okay? But this is a really cool way of creating quite a nice, creative, fun image of a negative. It looks really good with people, so try it on a person and see what effects you get. Have fun!